Hi scale guys, today we have platform scales like ISHIDA model IWQ. To go to the calibration menu you should press on and hold 1 and it goes to calibration menu. Now we should press 1 and Terra button and it goes next step. It's the step where you choose the country. The country we choose 2, so you're allowed to change units between pounds and kgs. So you press 2 and press Terra button, and after this you press Terra button again. It shows you kgs and next step. Now we should press Terra button again. Now we have counts. Then we should press 0 button, like 0 calibration. Then we should put 150 kgs, like capacity of the scales. So we put the weight, and we need to bias the scale, so we put that weight which we need with 150 with 100 grams. And now we should press Terra button as well. Calibration OK. Now we should remove all these weights. And press 0 button. And now we should get the little small screwdriver and go from the back of the indicator. Here we have like button to save it. And now we should turn it on and check it one more time. So we put 150 kgs and it's out. And then we put 100 grams and it's 150. So calibration is done. Thanks for watching. It's like pretty tricky scales. You should do all the steps like in the video, so to make it work properly. So this is our 100 extra, and when we move it we are out, and when we put it back, so this is 1, 2, 3, 100, 40, 50 and 100. So we bias them. Thanks for watching. That's all.